everyone! Today I am going to share Checkaso practices for working with text elements. Let's take a look at some factors that may affect indexing and discuss all ins and outs of the process. In the past video, we talked about the difference in stores algorithms. It's time to discuss it in more detail. Indexing on App Store and Google Play. The difference. First, the title. App Store accepts 30 characters in an app title. Google Play has 50, but soon will also move to 30. The exact date isn't clear, unfortunately. You should find the most relevant keywords to gain a foothold at the top. Subtitle and short description. It's easy. You have 30 characters for a subtitle on App Store and 80 characters for a short description on Google Play. Keyword field. It's only used on App Store. You have 100 characters. Our recommendations are: first, don't put spaces after commas. Try to include keywords in the text elements that can be combined with the app title. And the last, on App Store, you can use the keywords only once in any text element like subtitle or title to be indexed. Repetition in the text elements are a no-go. Full description. On Google Play, you can count on 4,000 characters. The range of 2,000 to 2,500 is optimum. We recommend to check the description for content classification using Google Natural Language API. Once you've done with the analysis, you'll see which categories Google assigns your content to, as well as its confidence factor. Try to keep this value at least at 0.8, but the higher it is, the better. App Store has the same character number, but it won't index the description. You can use the keywords there to promote your web search. Developer's name. Your ranking will improve if you add multiple keywords to the developer's name. An important point: if you have used the same name for several years and then you decide to change it, you might expect a drop in ranking. Because of this, the traffic can sink. In-app purchases. On App Store, they appear in search results too. Each in-app can have a title of 30 characters and a description of 45. The best way to optimize it to search is to use the relevant keywords in the in-app title. Moreover, it must convey the purchase essence. Developer's email. The influence on that item on Google Play indexing isn't so significant, but it doesn't mean you should ignore it. App URL. Enter some keywords in an URL for better indexing on Google Play and check everything before release, since you won't be able to change it later. Reviews. Google Play tends to rank apps with a good average rating higher, plus its algorithms scan reviews to identify possible keywords. Tags. Tags help Google Play understand what an app is about so that it can be classified and offered to users as relevant content. You can add up to 5 tags. Describe the content and functionality of your app. Okay, that's it. In the next video, we'll talk about working with the semantic core in more detail, how to analyze keywords, metrics, and choose the right ones. We'll discuss it. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, feel free to try our tool. We have free 7 days trial with no cards required. See you!